Hey YouTube, posted this video yesterday, 7 ways to biohack your energy. Miss Sherry Lynn had a question for me in regards to this, and I want to do a follow-up video after the YouTube videos that I post just for you to help you guys out. If you haven't seen my videos, Drew Canole here. As always, remember we're in this together. Question is I shop the perimeter of the store. I choose all the healthy things that I could eat, but yet I'm still having a hard time losing 35 pounds. What I would say to that, and this can apply to your life too, if you're listening to this, there's a reason you attracted it into your life for a reason, I believe. 35 pounds is the accumulation of past habits and habitual thinking that has led you up to this point so far. So what we have to do is we have to change our beliefs first and foremost, and we do that in the Identity process. I shot a video a while ago called the Identity. If we can change who we fundamentally think we are, we can literally start to change what we eat and feed our microgut biome and our bacteria and everything else. So thinking comes first. When we tell ourselves that we have a hard time losing weight, the body corresponds to the very nature and what it does, the essence of this miracle machine that we have, this human body, right? Second to that, I find that a simple blood test, be it a hormone panel, thyroid panel, looking at the full metabolic blood, and seeing if you have any deficiencies, micronutrient deficiencies, thyroid inefficiencies, or if your thyroid's over-creating an abundance of thyroid hormone, which probably wouldn't be, you'd probably be really skinny at that point, but sluggish thyroid could be an issue. And I'm saying these things to you because, and I get a blood test every 90 days. I'm constantly looking at it, biohacking my own health. When it comes to this video, I'm talking about energy, but weight loss is definitely something I've dealt with. I lost 40 pounds in the very beginning of my 8-year journey. And I did that by fasting in the very beginning. I believe in fasting. I believe fasting is one of the greatest miracles we have as human beings. So what I like to do is intermittent fasting. I take 12 to 16 hours off at least 3 days a week. I'm not saying that's right for everybody. In fact, for women, that can be a moving target with their hormones, meaning 16 hours is a long time. It could throw your estrogen, your testosterone off, could actually make you gain weight. Your hunger and your cravings may go up so much that you eat more bad food later, counteracting the surplus of calories. I love fasting though, and I think doing a mimic fasting is cool. 500, 600 calories a day, so you're still eating something, but you're eating less. It's actually a big myth that we should be eating 3 meals a day, I believe. It was started in the beginning when the Europeans came over and the Indians were eating whenever they felt like it, our ancient ancestors. And the Europeans at the time said it was bad for their culture. So eating 3 times a day is more about connecting. It's more about, and I love to eat. I'm a foodie. Last name's Canole, right? You get the point. So maybe trying fasting out for size. And then next, think about hydration as something that's super, super important. A lot of times we eat when we're hungry. So we may be eating healthy food, but we're not hydrated enough, so we actually eat more food. That could be a particular situation as well. In Sherry's case, I'm feeling into your situation a little bit. I'm sensing that you actually may not be eating enough. You may need to get more fats in your diet, omega-3 fats, so olive oil, fish oil if you're into that thing, maybe some bone broth, that kind of thing. Or if you're a vegan or a vegetarian, then there's flax oil and some other good oils out there as well. So without really digging into what's going on a metabolic way or looking at your microgut biome, I think having a naturopath do that for you would be a great thing to do. If you have 35 pounds, I would really experiment with the fasting thing. Drinking juice, green juice in particular, as you guys know, I'm a huge advocate of that. It's changed my life so much. Fresh pressed juice, you can get it at the store, and obviously Organifi has it too. But there's all kinds of things that you can do. I think gamifying the whole eating experience is something that I've been getting into. Most people eat 9 different fruits and servings, or servings of fruit and vegetables per week. I try to get 30, and they've done longevity research in regards to this. There's a lot of positive news when it comes to giving your body more variety. So more fruits and veggies, more superfoods, and sometimes that's hard to get. I'm from Michigan, so growing up in the Midwest, it was really hard to get that many fruits and veggies. But you can do it. You can find organic, and co-ops, different things like this can really help. I'm in Southern California now, so it's a little bit easier. And I have my own garden. If you guys haven't been checking it out on Instagram, I am growing my own garden, getting some bees, potentially some chickens as well soon. And I'm loving it. So have a lot of fun with this. Have fun with losing weight. Make it a game. Do something nice for yourself. Self-love is a huge theme with many of the thousands of clients that I've worked with in the past. We simply do not give ourselves enough of our own time. So taking time for you, taking a bath at night, lighting a candle, relaxing, lowering the stress. So you may be perimeter shopping, Sherry and anybody else that's listening to this, but your stress levels, your cortisol may be so high that your body's just holding on to it. You could be in fight or flight. Maybe you have embodied trauma that you haven't let go of yet. So that trauma is reactivating that cortisol day in and day out, which is harboring fat like a hostage. So 35 pounds of weight, hold on, my door just opened up, will start to come off once we regulate the stress level and do some of the other things that I mentioned in this video up here at Organifi. This is the lovely family over here, and we're just having fun. You know what I'm proud of most, YouTube, is having a company that not only creates products. I got a message from somebody that healed their hypothyroidism, and they've been drinking Organifi for 2 years, which is cool. We don't claim that it does that. Obviously, I'm not saying that it's a cure to anything, but I believe in changing lifestyle and eating the right foods and educating people, because educated people move the market. And you're educated. You're taking the time to watch this video, so it tells me a lot about you. You care about your health, and you probably care about the other people around you. Because when you're so invested in you being healthy, it's just a trickle effect. It's a ripple effect of impacting other people around you. And that's cool. So Sherry and anybody else that benefited from this video, give it a big thumbs up. I like doing these Q&As. They're easy for me. Low production value. I don't have a video guy with me, or I'm just going to upload this myself. But I'm reading all your comments. I'm listening to you. And I want to make a difference in your life. So let's work together. I'm Drew Canole. Remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon.